Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Blazer the Taser, and guys, today, as you can see, I'm at level 500,492, which is pretty much 500,000. And today we're going to be doing a pet unboxing and see if we can get a Yeti, which is the best pet in the game. If we get a Yeti, I'm going to be really happy. And I have 3 billion gold. I'm going to upgrade it on something and see. Whatever. Ooh. Alright. Hold on, guys. Checking something. Alright. Let's go. So first we're gonna open some boxes and see what we get. And guys, I did open like 5 and I did get another snowman. It's pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna keep my auto clicker real quick. Enable. Alright. Let's get ready to roll. Hold on. I'm gonna move this thing out of the way right there. There we go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. If I get a Yeti, I'm gonna scream. Arctic foxes. Come through. Dang. Snowmans are coming through big time, actually. Surprised. Alright, no Yeti, that's okay. You did get a lot of snowmans, which is actually pretty nice. I'll take that. Alright, I'll actually take that, guys. We got tons of snowmans. And that's a good chance of a Yeti soon. So, yeah. Alright, there you go. Alright, and we are also going to do the rebirth. Alright, we're going to rebirth in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Alright, let's see how much gold we get right now. 406,180 now. How much? 426,000, guys. We gained 20,000 gold. That's pretty awesome. Alright, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hold on, let me go. I don't want to end the video yet. Actually, sorry. Let's just go around and get some stuff. Place I get 7.11 million in the arena. That's actually very good. Wait, we're gonna clip. No, let me get on my auto clicker so I can actually. No, not Gmail freak. It's not good. It's not good. Did I get disconnected? Nope, I didn't. Okay. Alright, yeah. Alright, we didn't get disconnected, which is good. So, yay. Hey, guys, I'm gonna make a parts of me grinding to level 1.5 million. And, yeah. Y'all guys are probably gonna enjoy that. Why is my auto clicker not working? Oh, I'm gonna have to leave the game and rejoin it. Sometimes it's like a glitch where like click on it. It doesn't let you open it. Alright. Alright, this time let's see if it works. Alright. Let's see this. There you go. Winter blade. XK. Blade. So we got it. And we did not get it. It is okay. Good next time, hopefully. Oh, hey, we got it. I see why that here. Gotta get back. Well, how did you get that, guys? I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Alright, guys. If you did enjoy that video, make sure to like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you all next time. Peace.